Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your science class. I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. Dear students, let's memo living things. Let's memo living things. What is our topic today? Living things. Today we will learn about living things. Butterfly. What is this? This is a butterfly. This is a living thing. Butterfly. Butterfly. What is this, beta? This is a starfish. This is also a living thing. Starfish. Starfish. What is this? This is a bird. 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 What is this? This is a bird. 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 Human being. What is this? This is a human being. Humanbeing. Humanbeing. Human being. Be living thing है. What is this? This is a snail. 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 What is this? Snail. Snail. Memo 5 spellings of living things. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.